In this demo, I will show you in more detail what Google Takeout is. To go to Google Takeout, just open a new tab and type in takeout.google.com. And then you will be directed to this site, and you will see that the first thing you need to do would be to select data to include. And by default, almost all of the data are selected or checked. So if you want to just probably focus on Google Photos, which takes up most of your Google Drive space, then you can just click on deselect all and just scroll down until you see Google Photos. So this is Google Photos. You will see a box right next to it. So just click on that box. And then there are also options that you can choose, like the type of format and the photo albums that are included. So you can just click on these to know more. And then you scroll down to the bottom and click on Next Step. And then here on step 2, you will choose the file type, frequency, and destination. So for the destination, you can transfer to the following: add to Drive, add to Dropbox, add to OneDrive, add to Box, or you can just pick the first one, which is send download link via email, so that once the download is done, you will be getting the link to that download. And the time that it takes for you to receive that link would depend on how much data you will be taking out from, let's say, Google Photos. And then the frequency. So you can choose if you will just be exporting once or every 2 months for 1 year, etc. And then you can choose the file type and size. If you want to receive a zip file or any other file, then you can do so. Let's just choose a zip file. And then the file size. So you can choose whether the file size can be, the zip file can be 1 gig, 2 gig, 4 gig, or 10 gig. So by default, 2 gig is chosen. Then once you're satisfied with all of your choices, then just click on Create Export. And then the export will be started. And then you will be notified that Google is creating a copy of data from Google Photos or any other apps that you have chosen. And then you will be receiving an email if this is done. So that's Google Takeout. By following the simple tips mentioned in this video, you can optimize your Google Drive experience, ensuring a smooth workflow and maximizing storage space. Remember, effective organization and regular cleanup are key to staying within storage limitations. That's it for this video. I hope you learned something about better managing your Google Drive storage. Bye!